everyone. Today we've got a sequel to The Witch and the Hundred Knights, a very underappreciated game from 2014. This is The Witch and the Hundred Knight 2 Limited Edition. So let's open up and see what we've got. We've got this very nice box here. What's inside the box? Alright, first off, we've got the game, of course. Very nice cover. We've got this. What could this be? It's the soundtrack. I love a good soundtrack. If you include a soundtrack with a game, pretty much doubles the chance that I will buy it. Got, let's see. The Witch's Spellbook, which really is just an art book. Got some cool art here. You've got some new characters. See. And we got some lapel pins. Pretty cool. So yeah, and it got some nice pins. Let's try one on here. Alright, got my pin, so I'm pretty kawaii as they say. Now, there's supposed to be a stress ball with this, but the stress ball has not arrived yet. They had to ship it separately because of delays. So, yeah, but it's pretty much this, minus everything you see here, minus the stress ball. And that's pretty much it. I really hope the game is good. I'm confident it will be. And I'm going to try it out later. Alright, thanks for watching.